Group O believes that an efficient and effective supply chain is crucial for business success. We serve as your single source provider for comprehensive 3PL supply chain solutions that include procurement, warehousing and inventory management, kitting and co-packing, fulfillment, and logistics planning. At Group O, we won't place customers into existing facilities simply to fill spare capacity. Instead, we develop solutions custom-engineered to their needs by optimizing locations, rethinking material flow and work processes, and making step-change improvements to the entire program. Our comprehensive solutions are designed to reduce costs, defects, cycle times, carbon footprint, and solid waste. 80% of supply chain execs say they struggle to digitally track material movement through their supply chains. Group O's state-of-the-art warehouse management system leverages advanced analytics and provides dashboards with real-time inventory tracking capabilities using RFID, IoT, and barcode technologies. Our systems not only provide our clients with improved visibility, but also provide the detailed data to improve decision-making. Our technologies are designed to seamlessly integrate with our customers' WMS, ERP, and TMS systems. Discover for yourself why Group O has been recognized for our unique approach to optimizing supply chains.